Why pay attention to fees when investing? When considering the world of investing, it's easy to be drawn in by impressive returns, hot stock tips, or the allure of building wealth over time. But beneath the surface of every investment decision lies a crucial detail that's often overlooked: fees. These small, seemingly insignificant charges can have a profound impact on your financial future. Paying attention to fees when investing isn't just a matter of saving a few dollars here and there. It's about maximizing your potential for long-term growth, safeguarding your returns, and ensuring you're not inadvertently giving away a significant portion of your wealth. Fees come in many forms. There are management fees, trading commissions, front-end and back-end loads, expense ratios, advisory fees, and even hidden charges embedded within certain products. For the new investor, these terms can sound confusing or even daunting, but understanding them is one of the most empowering steps you can take. Every fee, no matter how small, eats into your returns. If left unchecked, they can accumulate over time, significantly reducing the amount of money you end up with. Imagine you found an investment that promises an average annual return of 7%. It seems like a solid choice, and you're excited to let your money work for you. But what if that investment charges a 2% management fee each year? Suddenly, your effective return drops to 5%. Over a single year, this difference may not seem significant. Over several decades, however, the impact compounds, and you could be leaving tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. Let's explore why these fees matter so much. First, consider the concept of compounding. Compounding is the process by which your investment earnings themselves begin to generate earnings over time. It's one of the most powerful forces in finance, but compounding works both ways. Just as your returns compound, so do the fees you pay. Every dollar you pay in fees is a dollar that isn't invested and therefore doesn't have the opportunity to grow. Over the years, this lost growth can be substantial. Suppose you invest $10,000 in a fund with a 1% annual fee versus a similar fund with a 0.2% fee. Assuming both funds earn the same pre-fee return of 7% annually after 30 years, the difference in your ending balance is staggering. The lower fee fund leaves you with thousands of dollars more. That's money you could use for retirement, a child's education, or simply to enjoy life, all because you paid attention to fees. Fees can also erode your returns in ways that aren't immediately obvious. Many actively managed mutual funds, for example, charge higher fees than passive index funds. The rationale is that active management can potentially outperform the market. However, studies consistently show that, over the long term, most active managers fail to beat their benchmarks after fees are accounted for. In other words, the higher fees you pay for active management often don't translate into higher returns. Instead, they simply reduce the amount you keep. It's not just about mutual funds either. Exchange-traded funds, individual stocks, robo-advisors, and even retirement accounts may all have associated fees. Some are transparent, listed clearly in fund prospectuses or account agreements. Others are hidden, buried in the fine print, or deducted automatically from your account without much notice. This is why diligence is so important. Before investing, take the time to read the documentation, understand the fee structure, and compare your options. The impact of fees becomes even more pronounced during periods of market volatility. When returns are high, fees may seem less significant, but during downturns or periods of lower growth, they can make a bad year even worse. Imagine suffering through a difficult market, only to realize that fees have amplified your losses. By minimizing fees, you help cushion your portfolio and preserve more of your hard-earned capital during tough times. Another reason to pay attention to fees is the psychological trap of out of sight, out of mind. Because many fees are automatically deducted, investors may not feel their impact in the moment. There's no bill to pay, no check to write, but invisibility does not mean insignificance. Over time, these silent deductions add up, quietly siphoning away wealth. By regularly reviewing your investment statements and asking questions about fees, you maintain control and awareness over your financial journey. Let's talk about some common types of investment fees and how to identify them. The expense ratio is one of the most widely discussed fees, especially for mutual funds and ETFs. This annual fee covers the fund's operating expenses, including management, administrative costs, and other charges. While the difference between a 0.2% and a 1% expense ratio may seem small, over decades, it can dramatically affect your returns. Trading fees are another consideration, particularly for investors who buy and sell frequently. Every time you make a trade, you may pay a commission to your broker. While many platforms now offer commission-free trading, some still charge fees for certain transactions or access to specific markets. Frequent trading can rack up costs quickly, eating into gains and making it harder to achieve your financial goals. Advisory fees are charged by financial advisors or robo-advisors for their services. While professional guidance can be valuable, it's important to understand how much you're paying and what you're getting in return. Some advisors charge a percentage of assets under management, while others may charge flat fees or hourly rates. Compare these costs to the value provided, and don't be afraid to ask for transparency or explore lower-cost alternatives if appropriate. Load fees are typically associated with mutual funds and can be charged when you buy, front-end load, or sell, back-end load shares. These fees are essentially commissions paid to brokers or salespeople and can range from a few percentage points to much more. In most cases, it's wise to seek out no-load funds, which do not charge these fees and allow more of your money to remain invested. Account maintenance fees, inactivity fees, and other miscellaneous charges can also pop up. These may be charged by brokerage firms, retirement account providers, or other financial institutions. Always read the fine print and ask about any potential fees before opening an account. So, what can you do to minimize fees and keep more of your investment returns? Start by being an informed consumer. Research your options carefully. Compare expense ratios, management fees, and other charges across different funds and providers. Don't assume that higher fees mean better performance. In fact, the opposite is often true. Consider low-cost index funds and ETFs as the foundation of your portfolio. These products typically charge lower fees and have a strong track record of matching market returns. If you do work with a financial advisor, ask for a clear explanation of fees and explore whether a fee-only or hourly arrangement makes sense for your needs. Limit unnecessary trading. While it can be tempting to chase the latest trends or time the market, frequent buying and selling often leads to higher costs and lower returns. Instead, focus on a disciplined, long-term approach that minimizes transactions and maximizes growth. Review your statements regularly. Look for any unexpected charges or deductions and ask questions if something doesn't seem right. Many investors are surprised to find hidden fees or higher than expected expenses simply because they haven't looked closely at their account activity. Use online tools and resources to compare fees across providers. Many financial websites offer calculators and comparison charts to help you make informed decisions. Taking a few minutes to do your homework can save you thousands of dollars over time. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Some fees are flexible, especially with larger account balances or long-term relationships. Ask your provider if there's room for lower fees or discounts and be prepared to shop around if necessary. Understand the total cost of ownership. This means looking beyond the headline fee and considering all associated costs, including transaction fees, advisory charges, and any other expenses. The goal is to maximize the amount of your money that remains invested and working for you. Paying attention to fees isn't just about being frugal, it's about being smart. Every dollar saved in fees is a dollar that can continue to grow and compound for your benefit. Over a lifetime of investing, these savings can make a dramatic difference in your financial security, your ability to achieve your goals, and your peace of mind. In summary, fees are an inevitable part of the investing landscape, but they don't have to be a barrier to success. By educating yourself, asking the right questions, and making informed choices, you can minimize their impact and set yourself up for a brighter financial future. Remember, it's not just what you earn that matters, it's what you keep. Make fees a central consideration in every investment decision, and watch as your wealth grows, unburdened by unnecessary costs. Your future self will thank you.